Good afternoon, all of you. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what is the last thing I've done in class?
SN. You gave some examples.
SN1.
I.
Okay, SNI. Difference between SN1, SN2, and SNI, you all have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the intermediate in SN1?
Carbocation stability.
Okay, what decides the SN1? Carbocation stability. Very good. Rate towards SN2, how will you decide?
Steric hindrance.
Steric hindrance.
Very good, yes. And SNI, there is only a single example of SOCl2 with alcohol.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And what about the configurations? If I perform SN1 on a chiral carbon?
Racemic mixture.
Racemic
Very
mixture.
good. Yes, very good. What about SN2 on a chiral center?
Inversion.
Addition.
Yes. And SNI on a chiral center?
100% retention.
100% retention.
Very good. That means you all are studying. Good. Okay. So now, nucleophilic substitution, I think I'm done with. Did I do the reaction of HI with ethers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did I do the reaction of alcohols with Lucas reagent?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. That means I'm done with nucleophilic substitution.
Ma'am, you told you start radical subtracting radical.
Okay. हाँ. Free radical substitution है और फिर elimination है.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So this week I'm completing your chapter.
Ma'am, on Saturday you will do the exercise.
I'm going to do this. I'll solve the booklet with you all.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you all try anything from there?
Yeah, ma'am, but I didn't get many.
Exercise 1, I think carbocation stability पे है.
हाँ, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I finished almost 50-60% of exercise 1.
Okay. And exercise 2, I think elimination है, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am, elimination.
And 3 is substitution again. So after 1, if you complete, you go for 3. Don't go for 2 because 2 is elimination.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
See as many questions as possible you are getting. Try it on your own because I want you to try. Once you try, you will understand कि कहाँ तुम. When I explain, you will understand कि तुम कहाँ गलत गए थे. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
So at least try doing the what you say exercises. Anyway, I'll be discussing the questions, so you don't have to worry. But then you should be able to find out कि where you are going wrong, where is your thinking wrong, मतलब why you're not arriving at the correct answer. If you are getting it wrong, then why are you getting it wrong? ठीक है? Because I'll be discussing in detail all the questions.
Okay, ma'am.
At least you try it before that. Okay, now radical substitution. How are radicals obtained in a reaction?
Electrolytic bond breaking.
Heterolytic
Homolytic.
Homolytic.
Homolytic, sorry.
Homolytic, yes. Mandar, I don't have the recordings because recordings सारे है ना 15 days या I think 20 days में ना पूरे निकल जाते हैं वो email से भी. So I don't have the recordings of GOC. What you can do is Panesia के site पे you have I think GOC के सारे video lectures uploaded हैं वहाँ पर. So Panesia के site पे जाके देख सकते हो आप. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. क्योंकि Zoom I think it doesn't allow. Zoom के I think 15 या 20 दिन में निकल जाते हैं सर. In fact, one student told me to Google Drive पे कुछ करने के लिए. I don't know what he was saying. But मुझसे
Ma'am, or
नहीं
you can paste it on YouTube.
But Google Drive पे
Upload
अगर
on
करेंगे
YouTube.
तो it is like going to be saved like.
Yeah.
Okay. And तुम्हारे जो दूसरे प्रोफेसर हैं केमिस्ट्री के वो गूगल ड्राइव पे ही करते हैं.
No, ma'am. MCX does it on YouTube. Uploads on YouTube.
अच्छा YouTube. That means you can go and see on the YouTube also his lectures.
Yes, yes.
Okay. ठीक है. I'll just ask him Madhif. You have
Yes.
his number?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One of you can forward his number. I'll speak to him. ताकि YouTube पे even I can then upload it. क्योंकि वरना lectures गायब हो जाते हैं 15-20 दिन में. It's like students if they want to refer they are not able to do so. You just send me across, one of you, his number, and then I'll speak to him. Okay, free radical substitution means here one radical will replace. It is there on YouTube, my lectures.
Ma'am, one person from our group has done isomerism.
I think ma'am, yeah.
Okay, isomerism he's done.
Not all, ma'am, only the exercise you have discussed.
Okay. Shubh, I will see. First, I need to speak to sir because मुझे I'm not very मतलब ये मुझे आता नहीं है ये laptop use करना भी I learned during this online lectures. Okay, I didn't know how to use the laptop also properly. Fine, let us go for this. Substitution means replacement. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Free radical substitution means replacement of one radical with another. Free radicals are formed, as you said, during homolytic bond fission. Yes. Which type of bonds do you think should break homolytic? Can I say non-polar bonds?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Can I say alkanes are non-polar?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Because
Yes,
alkanes
ma'am.
में खाली CC bond होता है और CH bonds होते हैं. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
CC
ma'am.
bond में definitely bond polarity तो नहीं होगा. Even CH bond doesn't have bond polarity because the difference of electronegativity between carbon and hydrogen is
Less.
very small.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So alkanes पे जो reactions होते हैं, I can also say alkanes cannot undergo addition reactions. Why am I saying this?
They are saturated.
Yes, because alkanes do not possess any pi bonds. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So the only
Yes.
reactions on alkanes are substitution, and that too free radical substitution reactions. So I'm taking the free radical substitution, that is halogenation of alkanes. Halogenation of alkanes. Methane when treated with chlorine in presence of diffused sunlight. What product is expected here?
CH3Cl plus
H2.
HCl.
Yes. Can I classify this reaction as a substitution reaction?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say the hydrogen of alkane is replaced by chlorine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So it is a substitution reaction. We'll see the mechanism and we'll see that in the mechanism we'll observe one free radical is substituting another free radical. So it will be classified as a free radical substitution. What if you use chlorine in excess? क्लोरीन अगर एक्सेस में
CH.
यूज किया तो क्या होगा? इसके और भी जो हाइड्रोजन बचे हुए हैं धीरे धीरे
Substituted.
धीरे धीरे सारे रिप्लेस होते जाएंगे. So now you'll get what?
CH2Cl plus H2.
CH2Cl2.
Yes. If still more chlorine is left out,
CHCl3.
yes, you'll get. What is the name of CH2Cl2? It is methylene dichloride. Okay. CH2 group is methylene group. So this is methylene dichloride. इसका नाम क्या है?
Chloroform.
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 And chloroform also will react with chlorine to give you what?
Carbon
Carbon
tetrachloride.
tetrachloride.
Yes, you'll get carbon tetrachloride. But this is going to be happening only if halogen is used in excess. What if alkane is used in excess?
Nothing.
Can I say the reaction will
Cl
stop
bond-
here? Because
Yes,
this will
ma'am.
not react with alkane. देखो ये बन जाएगा, क्लोरीन यूज अप हो जाएगा, ये बचेगा प्रोडक्ट. Will this react with alkane now?
No.
Alkane excess में है तो it will remain as it is. So if excess of alkane is used, then you get a monohalogenated product. But if excess of halogen is used, then you get a polyhalogenated product. Did you understand what I said?
Can you
Yes,
repeat
ma'am.
it, ma'am?
Okay. I said if you use excess of halogen, you get a polyhalogenated product. A mixture of polyhalogenated products. But if you use excess of alkane, reaction will stop at monohalogenated.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, write it down. In presence of excess of halogen, polyhalogenated products are obtained in presence of excess of halogen. We get a mixture of polyhalogenated products. But when excess of alkane is used, the reaction stops at monohalogenated product. But when excess of alkane is used, the reaction stops at monohalogenated product.
Ma'am, halogen of alkanes is an example or a type under this?
It's an example of free radical substitution.
Okay, ma'am.
Miss, can you repeat?
The entire thing.
Yes, miss.
When excess of halogen is used, we get a mixture of polyhalogenated products. But when excess of alkane is used, the reaction will stop at monohalogenated product. But when excess of alkane is used, the reaction would stop at the monohalogenated product. Yes, Nikhil. Previous page कौन सा? ये first page ही है. Nikhil, this is the first page only. First slide. Can I proceed with the mechanism?
Just 1 minute.
Okay. Have they shared the modules आगे वाले booklet?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा हाइड्रोकार्बन्स है उसमें?
Yes, ma'am.
Aromatic hydrocarbons?
हाँ, ma'am.
Aromatic hydrocarbons also you can start solving, huh? Because almost 80% of aromatic hydrocarbons you all have already done with me. So aromatic hydrocarbons you can start solving. That will be easier for you, aromatic hydrocarbons. You'll be able to solve.
Ma'am, that also you will discuss with us.
That I'll be discussing later, but you start solving. Don't wait for me for that. See, try covering your syllabus as fast as possible.
None, ma'am.
Because एक बार third track चालू हो गया chemistry का, तो it will be difficult for you then, coping up with so many chapters together. Third track should be starting, I think, anywhere in July.
And ma'am, from tomorrow.
July, I think mid-July,
next week.
End of July. Maybe. I don't know. They have not told us yet. But July में ही चालू होता है every year.
मैम थर्ड ट्रैक मतलब एक साथ 3 चैप्टर या अलग ब्रांच?
3 चैप्टर चलेंगे ना अभी एक साथ. फिजिकल का चलेगा, ऑर्गेनिक चलेगा और इनऑर्गेनिक भी चलेगा साथ में. इनऑर्गेनिक also is going to start.
मैम
हाँ,
मैम एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स में क्या करना है? एक्सरसाइज 1.
सारे कर लो जितने भी हो रहे हैं.
ओके मैम.
इट्स ऑलमोस्ट डन. खाली मुझे प्रिपरेशन मेथड्स करने हैं बेंजीन के और 1-2 रिएक्शंस करनी है बस. एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन.
Aromatic hydrocarbon.
वेरी गुड. मैंने एरोमेटिसिटी किया है.
हाँ, मैम.
उसमें कवर हो गया एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. मैंने
उसमें ही है.
इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन किया है मैंने.
हाँ, मैम.
नाइट्रेशन ऑफ बेंजीन, हैलोजिनेशन ऑफ बेंजीन, क्रिटलक्राफ्ट्स.
Yes, ma'am.
याद है वो
अच्छा,
सब
वो
कर
उसमें
चुके
आता है सब.
हाँ, वो सब उसमें आता है एरोमेटिक. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, इसका मैकेनिज्म लिखूं अभी.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. Okay, you are taking the halogen and diffuse sunlight क्या होता है?
Glass के through sunlight.
Diffuse sunlight means actually sunlight is passed through certain filters and only a particular wavelength of sunlight is passed through the reaction vessel, in the reaction vessel. I repeat, diffuse sunlight means you take sunlight and pass it through certain filters and you get monochromatic light. Monochromatic मतलब single wavelength वाला.
Single wave.
Single wavelength वाला light is allowed to fall on the reaction vessel. Direct sunlight किया अगर, ये reaction exothermic है. And sunlight here behaves as a catalyst. So what would catalyst do?
Increase the rate.
Wavelength process.
It would speed up the process. हाँ, speed up the process. और जो energy धीरे धीरे आने वाली है, अगर mechanism slow हो रहा है, तो जो energy धीरे धीरे निकलने वाली है, वो क्या होगा?
फट जल्दी निकल जाएगा.
एक साथ निकल जाएगी पूरी energy एक साथ, क्योंकि बहुत सारे molecules at a time react हो जाएंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
So can I say if large amount of energy is going to be liberated in short span of time?
Ma'am, this is an exothermic process.
Yes. So if huge amount of energy is liberated in short span of time, what will happen?
Explosion.
Yes, there'll be an explosion. Okay. So you cannot allow direct sunlight to fall on this reaction vessel because otherwise it will lead to an explosion. So that is why diffuse sunlight is used, where sunlight is passed through filters and only a particular wavelength of light is allowed to pass through. So sunlight, you can write it as h nu also. H nu means what? Photon of light. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Light is a form of energy. So this energy is going to be used up by chlorine molecule to break the bond. How would you expect a chlorine-chlorine bond to break here?
Homolytic. Homolytic.
Yes. So one electron will be taken by one chlorine, the other electron by other, giving you the formation of two chlorine free radicals. This step is called as the initiation step. Initiation step क्या होता है?
Forming of free radicals.
Excellent. Yes. Forming of free radicals is called as initiation. After this, now the propagation will start. Propagation में क्या होता है?
One free radical
Same
gives rise
reaction
to
happens
another.
in chain.
Hey, you all are studying, huh? Very good. I'm happy about it. Now this free radical, the chlorine free radical. It's actually, I should be very very happy for you all because online में भी अगर आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो तो it is really very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
बच्चे तो क्लास में भी आके नहीं पढ़ते हैं इतना. I have seen that. Okay. ठीक है. Now chlorine free radical will break this bond homolytic. The chlorine free radical will combine with the electron of H, forming what?
HCl.
And this electron will be going to that carbon, giving you what?
A carbon radical.
Yes. So can I say one free radical is given rise to another?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now this methyl free radical will go and attack another molecule of chlorine. इसका भी bond homolytic break होगा. एक chlorine
ma'am.
इसके साथ combine होगा और दूसरा chlorine will be set free. This will again go and attack another molecule of methane, and that is how a chain reaction would be set up. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम पहले रिएक्शन में एक Cl तो था ही नहीं ना, मतलब क्योंकि 2 Cl थे ना.
हाँ. तो
एक Cl तो मैम यूज ही नहीं हुआ, तो वो किधर रहेगा?
अरे ये Cl इसके पास गया तो दूसरा Cl रुके रहेगा क्या? दूसरा
नहीं.
Cl दूसरे मीथेन के पास जाएगा ना.
अच्छा हाँ मैम.
समझा?
यस मैम.
वो थोड़ी बोलेगा तू रुक मैं जा रहा हूँ.
Yes,
साथ में
ma'am.
जाएंगे ना तो. हाँ.
Ma'am, propagation has 2 steps.
हाँ, propagation has these 2 steps. One free radical giving rise to another free radical. अब termination में क्या होता है? जो free radicals जो बचे हुए हैं, they can combine. Supposing chlorine free radicals बचे हुए हैं, तो क्या होगा?
Cl.
अगर methyl free radical और chlorine free radical बचा हुआ है, तो क्या बनेगा?
CH3Cl.
Cl.
अगर methyl और methyl बचा हुआ है, तो क्या होगा?
CH3 CH3
Alkane.
बट ये अल्केन बहुत कम मिलता है क्योंकि टर्मिनेशन स्टेप में लास्ट में होता है टर्मिनेशन, जो बचे कुचे होते हैं वो देते हैं टर्मिनेशन स्टेप्स।
Ma'am,
हाँ,
ma'am, by this statement, do you imply that CH3 radical generally does not get left behind till termination step?
यस, बिकॉज यूजुअली क्लोरीन एक्सेस में ऐड करते हैं ना, तो बचेगा तो क्लोरीन बचता है ज्यादातर। अगर अल्केन ज्यादा लिया है तो भी कैन आई से अल्केन जैसे ही ब्रेक होगा इट हैज टू रिएक्ट फॉर्मिंग यू दिस मिथाइल फ्री रेडिकल। इतने सारे चेन साइमल्टेनियसली नहीं होते हैं कि इसका क्वांटिटी ज्यादा हो जाए। ओके, सो अमाउंट ऑफ इथेन फॉर्म्ड इज ऑलमोस्ट नेग्लिजिबल।
Okay, ma'am.
Miss, termination has 3 steps.
टर्मिनेशन हैज दिस, यस।
Okay, ma'am.
प्रोपगेशन में और भी हो सकते हैं। सपोजिंग ये जो क्लोरीन फ्री रेडिकल बना है, इंस्टेड ऑफ अटैकिंग मीथेन इट कैन अटैक अनदर क्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल आल्सो। तब क्या होगा, ये क्लोरीन रेडिकल और ये क्लोरीन रेडिकल कंबाइन होकर क्या बनेगा,
Cl2,
और साथ में क्या बनेगा,
chlorine radical.
पर नेट कुछ रिएक्शन हुआ है इसमें।
No.
हाँ, so this reaction can happen but there will be no net outcome of this. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
This is also propagation only, but then now net outcome of this reaction is not going to be there because one chlorine is generating another chlorine radical. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
If they ask you this as a propagation, yes, it is a propagation step.
same methyl methane में नहीं हो सकता ना, just because H नहीं निकलेगा
किसमें, मीथेन में ना।
methane में। हाँ,
हाँ, तो CH3 free radical can combine with methane. मीथेन का क्या ले लेगा वो,
H,
giving you
Hydrogen.
CH4, और साथ में क्या बनेगा,
CH3 radical.
this also will not result in any net outcome, no? Of course it is a propagation step.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
मैम इनिशिएशन में जो Cl2 ब्रेक हुआ है वो टर्मिनेशन में वापस फॉर्म होता है ना?
हाँ, टर्मिनेशन में उल्टा होता है उसका रिएक्शन।
ओके मैम।
यस शुभ, Cl2 एक्सेस में नहीं होगा तो भी ये सेकंड स्टेप तो होगा ही ना। जो मिथाइल फ्री रेडिकल है दैट हैज टू कंबाइन विद द क्लोरीन। ये मॉलिक्यूल सारे एक साथ नहीं रिएक्ट हो जाते हैं, इफ दे गो स्टेप वाइज। अगर तुमने 100 मॉलिक्यूल से शुरू किया है रिएक्शन, मतलब ऑल 100 विल नॉट रिएक्ट एट द सेम टाइम। पहले 10 रिएक्ट करेंगे, फिर आगे बढ़ेगा रिएक्शन, धीरे धीरे करके वो 100th मॉलिक्यूल जाके रिएक्ट करेगा। गॉट इट? Have you all finished these?
Yes.
Well, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll come back to this reaction again in the chapter of alkanes. Just little more I'll do about this. And this, the details of this pura I'll be taking up in the chapter of alkanes. Now just let me take this compound. Say ethane. Ethane में chlorine add किया. So how many products would I get? Monochlorinated कितने
2.
बने?
1.
Monochlorinated.
Monochlorinated 1.
Can I say Cl यहाँ I या यहाँ I same ही होगा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So ethane on monochlorination will give you only one product. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Propane on monochlorination will give you how many?
2.
2, ma'am.
Yes, you'll get 1 chloro and 2 chloro. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
What about butane?
2.
2 product.
1 chlorobutane and 2 chlorobutane.
Yes, ma'am.
What if Cl comes here?
Same as the
2
second one.
chlorobutane.
Got it?
Yes.
So Cl coming here or here will be same. All of you agree to that?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, Cl coming here or here, it is going to be same. So total products obtained here are 2. I changed my question. N-butane on monochlorination gives you how many products including stereoisomers?
3.
Very good. How 3?
In the second one, there is a chiral carbon.
Excellent. So इसके दो forms होंगे, dextro और levo form.
Yes, ma'am.
So total
Yes.
products including stereoisomers will be 3.
3.
Are you all getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the total number of products obtained when isobutane is monochlorinated.
2.
Yes. Can I say I'll get isobutyl chloride and tertiary butyl chloride?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Any other possibility?
मैम टर्शियरी वाला मेजर रहेगा ना?
मैंने ऐसे नहीं कहा है अभी तक. I'll tell you the percentages of these when I take up the chapter of alkane. Okay? You are supposed to know the percentage formed here. इन दोनों का percentage कितना बनता है वो भी आपको calculate करना है. I'll teach you that in the alkanes chapter. Okay?
तो मैम सेकंड और थर्ड में भी परसेंटेज ही रहेगा?
हाँ परसेंटेज होता है ना सारे में. इसका तो चलो से यही होगा खाली इसमें ना, राइट?
यस मैम.
इसमें कौन सा ज्यादा बनता है, क्यों बनता है, कितना परसेंट बनता है, दैट आल्सो आई विल हेल्प यू इन कैलकुलेट
ओके
इन द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. फाइन.
यस मैम.
Okay. This you all have understood for isobutane?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can I proceed ahead?
Wait.
नो मैम.
Wait.
Okay, write it.
हाँ आपने थर्ड वाले में वो 2 क्यों लिखा हुआ एंड में ब्रैकेट में?
इसके दो होंगे ना, डेक्स्ट्रो और लीवो, क्योंकि कायरल कार्बन. एक कायरल कार्बन तो टोटल स्टीरियोआइसोमर्स कितने होंगे?
2.
हाँ तो 2 लिखे हैं मैंने. तो इफ दे आस्क यू टोटल इंक्लूडिंग स्टीरियोआइसोमर्स देन यू विल रिपोर्ट दिस एज 3. एंड इफ दे आर नॉट इंक्लूडिंग स्टीरियोआइसोमर्स देन व्हाट शुड बी योर आंसर?
2.
Yes. Did you all finish?
1
Ma'am,
minute.
just last minute.
Just the last.
मुझे आपको रिएक्टेंट कहाँ से मिले?
रिएक्टेंट कहाँ से मिला मतलब मैंने लिया, मैंने अगर ये लिया और क्लोरीन ऐड किया तो कितने प्रोडक्ट्स आ सकते हैं, that was my question.
अच्छा.
Okay. So now this is done, all of you?
Yes.
Done, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now let me take isopentane. Give me the total products formed including stereoisomers when isopentane reacts with chlorine.
Ma'am,
All
3 products are
monochlorinated.
formed.
All monochlorinated and including stereoisomers.
5, ma'am.
No.
3.
3.
पहले लिखो तो सही.
Ma'am, please give 2 minutes.
Ma'am, 3.
3 is not the answer.
Ma'am, what is the name of this compound?
I'm 4.
Isopentane. 4 में you have included stereoisomers?
No, ma'am, I think 3.
4.
Are you including the stereoisomers?
Yes.
Ma'am, 6. Ma'am, 6.
Excellent. Yes, 6 is the answer. This product I can get. Chlorine can replace this hydrogen, so I'll get this. When chlorine replaces this hydrogen, I'll get this. What is the third possibility?
Tertiary.
Chlorine
Methyl
represent
replacing
third
tertiary.
tertiary one.
Any other possibility?
No.
If chlorine replaces any of these two,
It's the same.
It's same.
same like which one?
First one.
Just check whether it is same.
No, miss.
No, not same.
Not same.
These hydrogen are not same like these ones. If you replace this chlorine by this hydrogen by chlorine, you're going to get a different product as compared to these hydrogen atoms which are replaced by chlorine. समझा के नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
miss.
I can say these 6 hydrogen are equivalent. ये 6 equivalent है. What do I
Yes,
mean by
miss.
that?
They are the first carbon of the parent chain.
Equivalent hydrogen वो होते हैं मॉलिक्यूल में जिनको अगर किसी एटम से रिप्लेस किया जाए, you are going to get the same product. So can I say यहाँ पर या यहाँ पर अगर मैं क्लोरीन ले आती हूँ तो प्रोडक्ट सेम होगा?
Yes,
Yes,
हाँ,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So
yes,
these are
miss.
equivalent. These 3 are not same as these 6. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So total products including these are 4. But what if I ask including stereoisomers?
More 2.
ये chiral center है.
Chiral.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
इसके 2 होंगे.
और थर्ड वाले का भी.
थर्ड वाले में कहाँ है?
वो मैम मतलब वही नीचे वाला.
Fourth में.
इसके 2 होंगे, इसके 2, इसका 1, इसका 1.
So ma'am, there
समझा?
should be 8.
How?
2, 4, 5, 6. ये मिस.
इसके 2 फॉर्म्स होंगे ना, एक डेक्स्ट्रो और एक लीवो फॉर्म होगा ना.
Yes, ma'am.
इसके भी 2 फॉर्म्स होंगे. सपोजिंग डेक्स्ट्रो लीवो नहीं बोले तो आर एंड एस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होगा इसका. एक का
Yes.
आर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होगा, दूसरे का एस. इसमें भी एक का आर होगा, दूसरे का एस. और इसमें तो कायरल सेंटर है ही नहीं, तो ये एक एक होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me check. Give me the total products including steroids.
Ma'am, this is isopentane.
This is isohexane.
Ma'am, 8.
Yes, miss, 8.
All of you are getting 8?
Yes, miss, 8.
You have included the stereoisomers?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you've muted yourself.
कायरल सेंटर और कहाँ पर है? यहाँ पर भी है ना?
हाँ मैम वहाँ पे।
तो इसके दो बनेंगे, इसके दो, इसके दो, इसका एक और इसका एक. So total products will be 8. Are you all understanding, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Can I proceed? Have you all written?
Yes.
Wait ma'am. Okay ma'am, done.
All of you have done, no? Are done with this?
Done, ma'am.
1 minute, please.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now give me the products including stereoisomers. लिख लेना पहले, लिखना उसके बाद करना.
I'm 6.
6.
Nowhere close to the answer. You're including
Ma'am, 11.
stereoisomers?
Excluding.
7.
Hey, I want you
Excluding.
to include stereo.
So ma'am,
Including,
11.
excluding stereoisomers, I'll tell you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh, 6 is correct, excluding stereoisomers.
I'm 12.
Mhm. इसमें ये कायरल सेंटर है, ये आपने देखा ही नहीं होगा. देखा था, नहीं देखा था?
देखा था।
मैम 8 हो गया
9.
ना?
9.
8.
इसमें कितने कायरल सेंटर हैं?
2.
तो इसके 4 हो जाएंगे. Am I right?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें ये कायरल सेंटर है, करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
16.
यस, आई थिंक 16 है। ये कायरल सेंटर हो गया।
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें कितने कायरल सेंटर मिलेंगे?
2.
So 4 isomers for this.
मैम एक ही मिलेगा।
मैम
उसमें एक
सी
ही
पे
ना
कैसे मिलेगा? 2
अच्छा हाँ,
मिथाइल
सॉरी
है।
सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी। अब होगा 2। कितने हुए? 4 here, 4, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, हाँ 16. Did you understand this, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, copy it fast. Okay, copy कर लिया?
1 minute. No miss.
डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है क्या?
No.
No, ma'am.
Did you all finish?
Done, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
हो गया ना?
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम
अच्छा,
डन मैम।
okay. How many monochlorinated product would this give?
One.
6.
अरे कोई भी कहीं पे भी क्लोरीन आए, that will be same ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So only
Here यहाँ can I say it will be chlorocyclohexane?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So only one product. Shubh, this was first. ये जो क्वेश्चन था ऐसे वाला, इनफैक्ट ये क्वेश्चन, ये वाला, ये पहले जेई एडवांस्ड में आया था, उसके बाद जेई मेंस में भी आया ये क्वेश्चन। ओके, अब बताओ कितने होंगे मोनोक्लोरिनेटेड?
4. 4, 4, 4.
4 नहीं है।
3 5
3.
Yes,
3
5 is
is
correct.
5 जो है।
5 कैसे?
Must 3.
5 है 5। Did you get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If I ask you total including stereoisomers, now give me your answer. Without stereoisomers, it is 5.
6.
9.
इसमें कितने कायरल कार्बन मिलेंगे?
2.
सॉरी, इसके 4
मैम तो
होंगे।
4 आएगा।
हाँ, 4। इसमें कितने कायरल कार्बन है?
2.
इसमें
2.
can I say this will have a plane of symmetry?
0.
Yes, ma'am.
But then can I say it will show geometrical?
Yes, ma'am.
दोनों आगे हो सकते हैं ना ये,
Yes, ma'am.
या एक आगे एक पीछे हो सकता है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
इसके 2 वो ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमर्स होंगे। तो टोटल कितने हुए? 4 and 4 8 9 10 11 12 products including stereoisomers. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, miss.
Now how many?
3. Ma'am, 3.
4.
3 excluding steroids.
एक ये होगा,
5.
एक ये होगा, और एक ये। इंक्लूडिंग स्टीरियोआइसोमर्स पूछा है तो बताओ। इसमें कायरल कार्बन कितने मिलेंगे?
2.
2 कैसे?
3.
तो 3 कायरल कार्बन मतलब 2⁻³ कितने हो
हम
जाएंगे?
टोटल 12. 8.
हाँ, इसमें ज्योमेट्रिकल होगा,
Yes, ma'am. 2.
Yes, ma'am.
और इसमें भी ज्योमेट्रिकल होगा।
2. 12.
Did you all understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
How many monochlorinated product would neopentane give you? Neopentane is this.
Only 1.
2.
Yes. नहीं 2 कैसे? 1 ही ना?
Sorry, ma'am. 1.
कोई भी हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे रिप्लेस करोगे तो प्रोडक्ट सेम ही आएगा, करेक्ट?
Yes.
Yes, miss. Ma'am, these are equivalent, right?
Yeah, all these 12 hydrogen are equivalent. So neopentane अगर कितने पूछे हैं, how many hydrogen are equivalent?
12.
12 equivalent hydrogen.
Ma'am, for the previous example, the second one, miss, उसमें geometrical और optical दोनों हो गए?
इसमें
No, miss, नीचे वाला एकदम।
इसमें
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, इसमें ऑप्टिकल ढूंढ रही हूँ ना मैं,
The second one.
ये वाले।
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं, इसमें कायरल नहीं है ना, क्योंकि कैन आई से ये डायगोनली सपोजिंग
Oh,
मिथाइल
हाँ।
आगे है और क्लोरीन पीछे है, यहाँ भी मिथाइल आगे है और
Yes,
हाइड्रोजन पीछे है। So the plane having these methyl, chlorine, hydrogen and methyl, that plane will divide the molecule into 2 halves.
yes, ma'am.
Even
Okay,
if it is a trans configuration, then also.
okay, ma'am. So only geometric करना.
Yeah, only geometrical here.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
मैम
हाँ,
मैम इसके प्रीवियस वाले एग्जाम्पल में जो सेकंड वाला आपने स्ट्रक्चर बनाया उसमें कायरल कार्बन नहीं है?
नहीं, इसमें देखो सिमेट्री होगा। सिमेट्री कैसे होगा? सपोजिंग मिथाइल आगे है और क्लोरीन पीछे है, तो वो ही प्लेन जिसमें मिथाइल और क्लोरीन वाला मिथाइल वाला कार्बन और क्लोरीन है, that perpendicular plane will cut the molecule into 2 equal halves.
यस मैम, ओके, हाँ,
There is no chirality here.
ओके मैम।
Did you all finish this?
Wait, ma'am.
Done.
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Could you tell me the total products obtained here? Polyhalogenated, monohalogenated, polyhalogenated, सब मिलाकर. I am adding chlorine in excess. पीछे वाले जितने भी क्वेश्चंस किए थे मैंने वो मोनोहैलोजिनेटेड लिए थे. Here I want all the products formed. Mono, di, tri, tetra, सारे polyhalogenated तक. Saket, you are missing one. Sakshi, you are missing two. Rajdeep, you are missing three. Yes, Sakshi, you are correct. Rahil, nahi, Rahil, you are missing 5 structures. Shubh is missing 3. Yes, Saket, correct. Yes, Rahil, correct, 9. See, this will be the monohalogenated. Dihalogenated में 2 बन सकते हैं. 2 कैसे? Can I say ये दोनों डाइक्लोरिनेटेड है?
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें दोनों क्लोरीन एक ही कार्बन पे है, इसमें दोनों अलग अलग कार्बन पे हैं. ट्राइक्लोरिनेटेड में कितने बन सकते हैं? इसमें भी 2 ऑप्शन हो सकते हैं.
2 बन सकते हैं, 3.
ये हो गया ट्राइक्लोरिनेटेड. टेट्रा में भी कितने हो सकते हैं?
2.
Can I say पेंटा में एक ही होगा?
Yes, please.
और हेक्सा में भी एक ही होगा. तो टोटल कितने हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a JEE advanced question they had asked. Is it difficult?
Time consuming but not so difficult in the end.
Yes, got it. Time consuming means JEE advanced में तो you get ना, you get 2 to 3 minutes per question. Have you understood this?
Yes.
So free radical substitution, I think I have given you many examples. I'll be coming back to this in the chapter of alkanes. Now I'll start with the last type of reaction, which is elimination. Finished, all of you?
Yeah.
Okay. So now give the heading as elimination. What do you understand by elimination?
Knockout.
Removal of two atoms or groups from a molecule. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have already done with you alpha elimination, if you remember.
Yeah,
Alpha
ma'am.
elimination gives you what? पहले तो अल्फा एलिमिनेशन होता क्या है?
Removal of hydrogen
Alpha
from
carbon.
alpha carbon.
How do you define alpha elimination? Removal of two atoms from the same
atom.
carbon. Yes. So removal of two atoms from the same carbon will give you alpha elimination. And what is the species obtained in alpha elimination?
Carbene.
Carbene. Very good. I have done this under carbene. याद आया GOC में?
हाँ मैम.
GOC में क्लोरोफॉर्म लिया था. क्लोरोफॉर्म में से मैंने H और Cl निकाला था, याद है?
Yes.
Forming the dichlorocarbene. So alpha elimination gives you carbene. Here I'm going to do beta elimination. Now what do you mean by beta elimination?
From adjacent carbon.
Yes. So here I'll be removing two atoms from the adjacent carbon. Beta elimination always gives alkenes. Okay. Beta elimination gives you an alkene. Alpha elimination gives you what?
Carbene.
Carbene.
Carbene. And beta elimination forms alkene. Okay. So now the first example I'll do here, that is dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide. Dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide. You know what is an alkyl halide? Am I right?
Yes.
Small.
So this is an alkyl halide, ethyl chloride. To this, when you add alcoholic KOH, I'm not using aqueous KOH. I'm using alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH is used for dehydrohalogenation. What do you mean by dehydrohalogenation?
Removal of hydrogen.
Removal of hydrogen and halogen. Okay. Removal of hydrogen, yes, and halogen. This is a base. Alcoholic KOH base होता है. Base क्या करता है? Cl को यहाँ से निकालेगा और H को बाजू में से निकालेगा उसके. तो H यहाँ से और Cl यहाँ से. हाँ. और इनके इन दोनों के कार्बन के बीच में क्या आ जाएगा?
डबल बॉन्ड.
हाँ. वो H प्लस जो निकला है यहाँ से, वो H प्लस किसके साथ जाएगा?
H2O.
और ये Cl किसके साथ जाएगा? Okay. Can I classify this reaction as an elimination reaction? Are two atoms being removed from the molecule?
Black to the pink, get the sun, make it. Ooh, you're gonna wanna dance like ta-ra.
निष्ठा,
मैम स्पैमर.
she is not a spammer. Nishtha, where are you?
आपने KOC KOH के नीचे क्या लिखा है?
Alcoholic KOH. Nishtha, yes ma'am, you are telling me. What were you doing during the lecture? Nishtha, I'm asking you. अच्छा, background noise था. Wow. Background noise, Nishtha. Unbelievable. Do you know since how long I'm teaching? Do you know my teaching experience?
50 plus.
50 plus years to nahi.
It's 26.
27.
This is my 28th year of teaching. And you think what you say, I will take it for granted? Unbelievable. तुम लोग पैदा भी नहीं हुए थे जब से मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ. समझ में आ गई बात?
Yes.
What students think also, what they are doing also. Of course, अभी तो थोड़ी problem है, but when they are in the class, I can easily make out what a child is doing, what he's thinking, whether he's understanding, whether he's not understanding, which child played mischief, what is the last bench child doing. Everything I can make it out. And now you're telling me background noise tha? Who was singing in the background? Is there a singer in your house? Who's the singer in your house? I want to know. Background noise तो नहीं था वो. Your brother. Your brother has a voice of a girl.
Justin Bieber.
I know, right?
Your brother sings like a girl. A female voice. अभी सॉरी मैम. पहले ही सॉरी बोल दी होती. Okay. Alkyl halide, you're adding alcoholic KOH. As I said, alcoholic KOH is a base. Base removes what? Acid from a molecule. तो यहाँ से Cl निकला और यहाँ से H निकला. HCl निकला.
Yes, ma'am.
Giving you the alkene formation. That HCl will combine with KOH to give you what?
KCl plus H2O.
This part is understood.
Yes.
Can I
Yes,
classify this reaction as a beta elimination reaction?
Yes.
Are two atoms being removed from the adjacent carbon?
Yes.
Cl is going from this carbon and H is going from this. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it's a beta elimination reaction. Remember, I have to use alcoholic KOH. What if I use aqueous KOH here?
Remove the Cl.
Very good. Aqueous KOH will remove the Cl and replace it by OH. So aqueous KOH will cause substitution and not elimination. Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Aqueous KOH क्या करेगा? OH will just replace Cl and you'll get alcohol as the product there. So aqueous KOH will cause substitution, but alcoholic KOH causes dehydrohalonation. Is this understood?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm giving you some examples. Just give me the products there.
So aqueous KOH will only cause dehalogenation, right?
Yes, dehalogenation नहीं, substitution ना. Halogen की जगह OH आ रहा है ना.
Okay, ma'am.
So it's a replacement. यहाँ पर replacement नहीं हो रहा है. Can I say Cl और H निकल जा रहे हैं molecules?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Nishtha, you have a punishment today. At the end of the lecture, you have to sing a song for us. Which song you are going to sing? Nishtha. It was a video. Huh. How nice. But the punishment is that you have to sing, not the video. Okay. Brother in the video. Okay. Yes, Sakshi. But then here you are going to do the entire mechanism of that. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
इसका प्रोडक्ट बताओ.
CH3 CH double bond CH2
प्रोपीन बना प्रोपीन.
H2O plus K.
यहाँ पर भी प्रोपीन बनेगा. Do you all agree?
Yes, ma'am.
देखो Cl यहाँ से जाए, H यहाँ से गया या यहाँ से. Can I say product form will be same?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many alkyl halides with alcoholic KOH give you propene as the product? What should be your answer?
3.
How 3?
2.
These
Two.
two, na?
Yes, ma'am.
I repeat my question. The number of alkyl halides which when treated with alcoholic KOH give propene as the product.
2.
1 chloro and 2 chloro. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you all finish writing this?
1 minute.
Ma'am, we won't be doing any examples of alpha elimination.
I did carbene.
Only that? Okay.
We'll be coming to that in alkene chapter again.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what will be the first chapter of inorganic?
Inorganic will be starting with either S block or coordination. I think coordination होता है ज़्यादातर. S block mostly coordination के बाद आता है, if I'm not wrong.
नहीं पढ़ाओगे?
हाँ.
आप नहीं पढ़ाओगे?
I think हम दोनों के बीच में distribute होगा वो.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम पीरियोडिक प्रॉपर्टीज किस में आता है, ऑर्गेनिक या इनऑर्गेनिक?
Inorganic. Periodic उसमें आता है और bonding भी उसमें आता है.
ओके
ये लिख लिया है तीनों.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो complete this.
मैम KCl और H2O मेंशन नहीं किया तो चलेगा ना?
हाँ, those are byproducts. It's okay. You can just give me the organic products.
ओके
मैम फर्स्ट में ब्यूट-1 होता है,
First में
ब्यूट-1
हाँ 1-butene. Can I say second one can give you 2 products?
यस मैम,
Yes.
इथाइलिन एंड
Cl तो यहाँ से
डाइथाइलिन।
जाएगा, H यहाँ से भी जा सकता है, यहाँ से भी. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So you'll get 2 products. Now how to identify the major products in दोनों में से? For that you have a rule. That rule is called as Sedgwick's rule. They also write it as ये दोनों एक ही चीज है. कोई बुक्स ये दे रहे हैं नाम और कोई बुक्स ये देते हैं नाम. So I'll give you the rule. Just write down the rule. ZZF बोलते हैं या ZZF, एक ही चीज है वो. Write down the rule first. In a beta elimination reaction, the hydrogen is preferably lost. In a beta elimination reaction, the hydrogen is preferably lost from the beta carbon. The hydrogen is preferably lost from the beta carbon. The hydrogen is preferably lost from the beta carbon, which has less number of hydrogen. The hydrogen is preferably lost from the beta carbon, which has less number of hydrogen. Within brackets, you write down poor becomes poorer. That is how you will remember Sedgwick rule. What are you going to write in the bracket?
Poor becomes
Poor becomes
poorer.
poorer.
Yes, उस तरह से याद रखना Sedgwick rule. Poor becomes poorer. मतलब ये देखो, ये अल्फा कार्बन है जिसपे हैलोजन है. बीटा कार्बन कौन सा है? ये भी है, ये भी है.
दो है।
Yes मैम.
ये अल्फा कार्बन है. अल्फा कार्बन वो होता है जिसपे फंक्शनल ग्रुप होता है. उसके बाजू वाला कार्बन बीटा होता है. ये भी बीटा है, ये भी बीटा है. Am I right?
Yes, miss.
So according to Sedgwick rule, the hydrogen will be lost from the beta carbon where there is less hydrogen. So which is the beta carbon having less hydrogen? The left
Miss,
one
the
or the
left
right?
one.
लेफ्ट
Left.
टू।
So this will be the major product. अब ये इसने क्यों rule दिया? That I will be doing when I take up the mechanism of this reaction. Amog, you want me to repeat the entire rule again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In a beta elimination reaction, the hydrogen is preferably lost from the beta carbon. In a beta elimination reaction, the hydrogen is preferably lost from the beta carbon, which has less number of hydrogen. Hydrogen is preferably lost from the beta carbon, which has less number of hydrogen. Within brackets, you write poor becomes poorer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, this seems almost so relatable to Markovnikov.
बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल
It's
नहीं,
opposite.
बिल्कुल नहीं. Markovnikov is for addition. Sedgwick is for elimination. दो opposite चीजें हैं ये. समझ में आ रहा है क्या बोल रही हूँ? मार्कोनिकॉफ में अल्कीन लेते हैं, उसमें रिएजेंट ऐड करते हैं और सैचुरेटेड प्रोडक्ट बनता है. करेक्ट?
Yes.
इसमें देखो, उसमें अल्कीन लेते हैं, HCl ऐड करते हैं और अल्काइल हैलाइड बनता है. इसमें अल्काइल हैलाइड ले रही हूँ, अल्कोहलिक KOH डाल रही हूँ तो अल्कीन बन रहा है. ये पूरा ऑपोजिट रिएक्शन है. वो रिएक्शन का एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट है. So don't ever make a mistake between Markovnikov and Sedgwick. Markovnikov is for addition and Sedgwick is for elimination. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
और poor becomes poorer तो याद रहेगा आपको. Correct? That is the condition of India. So we as Indians, we will remember this always. इसमें कितने प्रोडक्ट आएंगे बताओ?
2 again.
And CH1 will be major.
Yes. Why this is major and the other one is minor? I'll be doing the entire thing in the mechanism of the process when I show you the intermediates for this. Okay. इसमें क्या होगा? कितने?
3.
2,
कैसे?
2, 2.
2, ma'am.
एक ये होगा, दूसरा ये होगा,
CH2.
और तीसरा कौन सा होगा?
Upper one.
ऊपर से निकले या यहाँ से निकले? It is same.
Equivalent.
These are equivalent hydrogen. Yes.
Right. Yes, ma'am.
इसमें से मेजर बताओ
Only
कौन सा?
two. Left one.
Second
Right
one.
one. Right one. Sorry.
Yes, poor becomes poorer. Did you get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you write the major products?
Application of the rule again.
Sorry, you want me to apply the rule again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is the carbon having the chlorine. So this is the alpha carbon.
Yes, ma'am.
The beta carbon is this and this. Out of these two beta carbon, which one has less hydrogen?
Right one.
So H will go from here, giving you double bond here as the major product. Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Did you all finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Complete these. Mandar, I will show it to you. This is the previous page. How many exercises you want to complete? Complete the exercise 1 on reaction mechanism and try to do the exercise 3 as well. 1 and 3. I think there are only 3 exercises in that. बाकी तो फिर I think get equipped या कुछ होगा. Have you all seen the booklet?
No.
Mandar, done with this? Okay. Shubh, not required. Just read the notes, that is sufficient. First one, how many products you got? Only one?
Yes, ma'am.
Double bond यहाँ लिखो या यहाँ लिखो, it's same. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ पर कितने मिले?
2.
एक ये मिलेगा. 5 कैसे?
2, 2.
Cl यहाँ से जाएगा ना, H को कहाँ से जाना है? यहाँ से जा सकता है या यहाँ से जा सकता है? मेजर बताओ.
Right. Left one.
पुअर बिकम्स पुअरर। इस पे कितने हाइड्रोजन हैं
2
और इस पे कितने हैं?
3 ओके मैम।
हाँ, इसमें भी 2 आएंगे, एक ये आएगा, एक ये आएगा।
मैम अगेन राइट वन इज द मेजर।
Right one.
ये वाला
No,
Yes.
left one.
रीजन बताओ। यहाँ पर H कितने हैं
पुअर बिकम्स
Just
पुअर।
one.
और यहाँ पर कितने हैं?
दो दो दो.
तो
दो.
H यहाँ से जाएगा ना।
Yes, miss.
Fine. Now elimination goes through a trans process. Trans process I have to start in the next class. That you have to tell me. Fine.
Okay.
Chalo. I'm ending the class now. Start solving your booklet. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ram, can you
Previous page.
Okay.